And we are back alive with the pre-market post-wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous post-wave price trigger reports. And this is going to be a very quick video, so let's jump right into it. All right, first and foremost, hopefully everyone's having a great weekend. Here's what the markets are looking like to start the week off. So looking at Bitcoin futures, market did hit second target, which is the top of the Kumo cloud, broke that 21,000, but fell short of the 22,000 mark. So we see sideways movement on this one. I'm believing that the market should show us some sideways to lower prices as the market is bumping its head against the top of the Kumo cloud there. All right. Next up is the Ethereum futures. And this one hit second target, popped out just slightly above the top of the Kumo cloud. Again, looking for sideways to lower prices to start the week off as the market has hit both primary and secondary top side objectives. Next up is the US dollar index. In the US dollar index, looking for this one. We have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, looking for the market to not just hit the bottom of the Kumo cloud, but actually drop below that 109 handle. So we're calling for sideways to lower prices in the US dollar index. Looking at crude oil. So crude oil woke up on Friday, popped above the top of the Kumo cloud. For this one, we're looking at sideways to possibly lower prices as well. I know, hate being the bearer of bad news. Next up is looking at gold. So gold had a nice little pop on Friday, got to the bottom of the Kumo cloud and then inside of the cloud as well. For this one, looking for sideways to higher prices. I think the next stop is going to be a nice strong close above 1700. If it fails to do that, then I think the market's going to fall back below the Kumo cloud. But if it's successful, second upside objective really is not the top of the Kumo cloud. The secondary objective literally is the psychological 1800 mark. That is the secondary objective, but the market needs to get a solid close above 1700 first. If it fails, then it's going to fall, and it will probably fall hard. Last but not least, looking at silver. All right, so silver had a very strong move on Friday, and this one actually we're calling for sideways to higher prices in silver. A close above $21 per ounce is needed in order to open the door for further upside potential back above $22. All right, and let's see, you want to take a look at PAC. All right, let's see. All right, I take it this is Rampack Holdings. All right, so for Rampack Holdings, to start the week off trading on Monday, looks like this one is called sideways to higher prices as well, as the market hit the top of the Kumo cloud and stopped short. If it can get enough momentum behind it, it's going to definitely need it, because the next upside target is between $10 to $11 if the market can get a solid close above the Kumo cloud. All right, next up is IIPR, and this is also on the New York Stock Exchange. It's Innovative Industries Properties. All right, and this one, to start the week off, we have a crash alert. We had flip-floppage. We had a rally alert, and then on Friday, it canceled out and gave us a crash alert instead. So this one looks like it's probably going to be range bound with a bearish bias. All right, so sideways to lower prices on this one. Watch out for that crash alert on this particular stop. All right, next up is KC. All right, King's Cloud or King Soft Holdings, whatever. All right, and this is on the Nasdaq. All right, this one doesn't have that much data, so it doesn't meet all the qualifications for the system. But okay, so this one had a rally alert coming into Friday. You got that upside production, and the market got above the Kumo cloud with a close above it. Needs to have another one or two closes above the $3 mark in order to open the door for the next upside target, which in this case is $4 even. All right. And then the next one is NIO, Neo American. All right. Let's see what we got on this one. All right. So to start the week off, looks like this one we gapped up on Friday, so it's going to need to back and fill, and then it has a upward bias. So the long side of the market is still in play. Bottom of the Kumo cloud around the $18 mark is the initial target on this one. All right, next up is, last but not least, Newmont Mining. All right, let's see what Newmont got to say. All right. Okay, on Newmont, we got a rally alert for Monday's trading. Market's already at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, so the initial target is going to be the top of the Kumo cloud, and that should put it above $45 a share. So you're looking at between $4 and $6 on the initial upside run for this one. And then if it can close outside the Kumo cloud, that'll be a big plus, and that'll open the door for the next upside target, which is actually at $75 per share. So this one has the potential for a big bear market rally. All right, so just FYI on that. But you also have the gap here that you need to contend with. But all things being equal, I think if it can do it, you have a very powerful upside rally that could be in the works with strong closes above $45 a share. All right. How low would it have to fall to invalidate? Well, on Newmont here, basically, if the market does not rally over the next 3 to 5 days, then this rally alert becomes invalidated. Rally alerts and crash alerts can lead the market 3 to 5 days. So if it doesn't rally within the next 3 to 5 days, then the rally alert becomes invalidated. All right, so that should do it, folks. Hopefully you have a rest. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And remember, smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.